Hey guys, I know many of you guys have asked me to do a tutorial on more bundle patterns, so here I am. I will show you guys how to do this tutorial, or this particular pattern. Here it is. I've already did all the greens, I've already did all the red, so now I'm just going to show you guys how to do the green. I've already did everything. It's pretty much in something like a pyramid shape. I've already did the first shape, the first half of the shape without this piece. I'm going to show you guys how to do the other piece. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to start by poking a hoe. You can turn it whichever way you like. I prefer it this way, so it's easier for me to handle the bundle. So just poke your hoe, and then so I started up here. Now I'm just going to poke a hole diagonally this way, or down. Then when I poke the hole down, I'm going to poke it back out on the very next hole like that. Pull out my needle, and then complete my X by going up, diagonally up. Then when I poke the back up, I'm going to go diagonally up again, like that. That completes my first X. You just pretty much do that for 3 X's, just like that. Now we're going to complete the first 3 X's, and then you see how this shape goes this direction? Well, we're going to go the opposite direction, so we're going to go this way. Okay? You can twist your bundle if you need to, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I will. Close this X, and you start the next X. Just do that. And that's going to be, we're going to make 3 X's. Then now we're going to go up. Or if you didn't want to turn it, we'll go this way. Or whatever way, we're just going to do basically the opposite direction of these. So you just go up and X's. Like that. And we're going to do a total of a set of 3 L's, or 6 little lines that connect to each other for this tutorial, or for this particular pattern. I'm sorry. Okay, and just keep turning. Okay, now you see how there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay, now I'm going to close this last X out, and I'm going to go and make my L in here. You can see this L here. So I'm going to close this X, and I'm just going to come up, have one white space in between the white pattern, or the white fabric. I'm going to start, since I started from this corner, I'm going to go up diagonally 1 corner and down, poke my needle down, or out the other, just across down. You just do that, same pattern. Just like that. And that's it. This is all you do for this particular pattern. You see? And then we're just going to go ahead and complete this other L on the other side. And basically by the time we get all that done, it'll look like this. And once we've filled everything in, it will complete. This is how it will be completed. If by the time we finish all these little inside stuff, and of course the border, I will do a tutorial on it a little later when I finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Any questions, let me know. Thank you.